Police Commissioner Andrew Scipione will lead a parade down Macquarie Street, Dubbo this weekend and receive the keys to the city as part of the Force's 150th birthday celebrations. The Dubbo Police Expo and Street Parade will feature a huge range of early police memorabilia. The event is the largest staged outside Sydney to note the sesquicentenary of policing.
This 1925 Studebaker limousine is the star attraction in the Police Expo, which is expected to attract thousands of visitors tomorrow and throughout the weekend. Loaned to police by Mandurama's George Tate, it was bought brand new by arguably the baddest woman Dubbo ever produced.
Kate Lee was recently featured in the series of Underbelly Razor, and many people probably don't know, but Kate Lee was a AA local.
The arch-criminal moved back to Dubbo for a period after Sydney's gangland razor wars and ran a casino, brothel and sly grog from the old Milestone Hotel building. There's also an original Honda 754 police motorcycle, complete with panniers, lights and sirens. This was the first of the reliable daily ride Japanese bikes, which replaced the British Triumphs and American Indians and Harley Davidsons. A huge array of items was being unpacked today as the expo was setting up at the showground. Rod Blackman says people from across the state have generously lent their precious collectibles, and Polair 4 made an appearance in the skies over the city. It will entertain hundreds of school students tomorrow and also play a part in Saturday's street parade.
Yeah, the parade commences with a march in Macquarie Street. That'll be led by the Commissioner of Police himself and one of the deputies.
John Ryan, Win News.